Make a great choice today with the 2019 CX-3. The CX-3 is a fun and feisty roundabout with outstanding performance, style, and sophistication that outstrips the competition. The CX-3 subcompact crossover delivers unmatched driving dynamics right alongside outstanding fuel economy. It's the driving experience totally redefined. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, battery saver, body color door handles, braking assist, front stabilizer bar. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.